How to change lock screen background on Windows 11 10 full guide. In this video, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be talking about how you're going to be changing your lock screen background. So this over here that you can see is your main background. Okay, this is your main PC background, but your lock screen background is when you sign in. Okay, so to change that, what you're going to do is you're going to right click on your desktop and you're going to come over to display settings. Now, in your display settings, here you can see a lot of these things like making your main display and all. Now, you can change your screen orientation and other things from here, like your brightness, etc. But we need to change our proper desktop icon. So for that, go over to Personalize. And once we come over to Personalize, here they're going to say, what kind of background do you want? Now, you could either choose a solid color slideshow window spotlight, or we can go with picture. And what you can do is you can actually choose any picture that you want. And then you're going to come over to lock screen. And once you're in lock screen, here you can choose which image you want to go with. Either you can go with Windows Spotlight's very own images, or you can go with a custom picture that you want to add. So let's say I want to go ahead with this picture, right? Now, every time I sign in into my computer or my computer turns on, this is what the lock screen is going to look like. And this is how you're going to be changing your lock screen background on Windows 11 or 10. So that is pretty much all there is for this video. Thank you for watching all the way till the end, and I'll see all of you next time. Have a great day. Goodbye.